Hello my people, now welcome back to another video. If today is the first day you already see my channel, you are highly welcome. My returning subscribers, welcome, thank you. And I say they come back to watch my video. So guys, today video I'm going to show now the easiest way to wash your beans, okay, for your akara and moimoi. So guys, these are my beans, black eye beans. These beans I soaked about 2 hours ago. So I just removed the water when I take soak, then I can put fresh water. So guys, after I don't put the water, then I come carry and go my blender. Now I want blend. See guys, very easy, very easy guys. You don't need to stress yourself to wash your beans, okay? So I can put that for my blender. I can add enough water. Guys, put enough water to cover the beans, okay? I mean enough water. As you guys can see, I can put the water, then I can blend that. I just turn out small, like 2-3 turning. You understand? I just blend down small, not too much, okay? Not too much, okay? So after I just blend that finish, then I can pour on for my rubber. So guys, it's very easy, very easy guys. Please, if today is the first day you see my channel, may you not forget to subscribe, may you like, may you comment. So guys, this is it. I can turn off for my rubber. So very easy guys, very easy. Not they take much time. So I can't go again with the second one. I just blend out 2 times, okay? Then now be this one. Then I can begin the sieve and they remove the shaft from the beans. Yeah, this is it. Very easy to wash. They take much time guys. They take much time. In 5 minutes I'm done. Like if so my people, the beans done ready, well washed and clean. Yes, so guys, our beans done ready. So if you make your akara, if you do moimoi. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you learn 1 or 2, may you not forget to like, comment and share. So guys, I gave video of how to make akara and moimoi for my channel, okay? So I'll leave the video link for the description. I beg, make una not forget to go check am out, okay? Make una support this ministry, okay? So I just try to show now when I see and say yes, it's well clean guys. In 5 minutes I don't through, okay? So guys, I'll see you again for my next one. Now bye.